How $100 can become $1 million. Imagine someone gives you $100 today. Most people would spend it on food, clothes, or entertainment. But what if that same $100 could eventually become $1 million? It sounds impossible. But thanks to one powerful force, it isn't. That force is called compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Because money doesn't just grow, money can grow money. And then that new money grows even more money. Let's see how it works. Imagine you invest $100 in the stock market and earn an average return of 10% per year. After 1 year, your $100 becomes $110. Not very exciting. But in year 2, you don't earn $10. You earn interest on the entire $110. Now your money grows to $121. In year 3, you earn returns on $121. Then on $133. Then on $146. Your money starts building on top of itself like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, the snowball grows slowly, but eventually it becomes enormous. This is why investing feels slow in the beginning and fast later. The first $1,000 is difficult. The first $10,000 takes time. But after that, the growth becomes incredible. Now let's make it more realistic. Instead of investing only $100 once, imagine investing $100 every month. That's only about $3 a day, less than many people spend on coffee. If you invest $100 every month and earn an average annual return of 10%, after 10 years, you would have about $20,000. 20 years, around $76,000. 30 years, over $226,000. 40 years, nearly $600,000. And after about 45 years, you could cross $1 million. You only invested around $54,000 of your own money. The other hundreds of thousands came from compound growth. Your money did most of the work. This is why time matters more than the amount you start with. Consider 2 investors. Sarah starts investing $100 per month at age 20. Mike waits until age 30 to start investing the same amount. Both stop investing at age 60. Sarah invested for 40 years. Mike invested for 30 years. Sarah only invested $12,000 more than Mike. But because she started earlier, she ends up with hundreds of thousands of dollars more. 10 years doesn't sound like much. In investing, it can mean the difference between being comfortable and being wealthy. Time is the investor's greatest weapon. This is why many millionaires are not financial geniuses. They simply started early and stayed consistent. The biggest mistake people make is waiting. They say, I'll invest when I make more money. I'll invest next year. I'll start after I pay off this purchase. Years pass, and they lose the one thing they can never get back: time.